Good morning, Mandela United. Welcome back. Today is Monday, January 6th. My name is Rita Miriam, and this is United News. This is the last week of school before exam break, with English 30 and 20 exams starting on Monday. The entire exam schedule is posted on the school website. Mr. Weisgerber, Ms. Bates, and Ms. Ibbotson will be running Social 30-2 and Social 30-1 essay writing workshops and success time all week from January 6th to 9th. Please check the success menu to see which essays are being workshopped each day.
Woo!
This is especially important if you are considering changing from 30-1 to 30-2. But will be good review for all students writing diploma exams.
Diplomas.
United Bistro is serving chicken fingers and French fries, dipping sauce, no sandwiches and salads. The first robotics competition season has officially begun, so our Mandela team will be working hard before the big competition in April. Thank you and have a great day.